Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you the best way to download YouTube app on your MacBook M1 or M2. Let's go! First you need to open your browser. Search for youtube.com. Click on YouTube URL and just drag it to desktop. Now we have to add the YouTube icon because no one wanted to look like this. Right-click on it and press Get Info. Then open another tab on Chrome and search YouTube logo PNG. Go to Images and be sure to find Transparent one. When you find it, just drag it here. Now you can close the browser. And now whenever you open this icon, it will take you instantly to the YouTube homepage. If you want it to be always there, simply drag it to dock, and that's it. I hope I helped you. Please subscribe for more tutorials.